4-inch deep Regressed LED by Lotus LED Lights. 4-inch round and square deep Regressed LED. Elegant design without glare. Interchangeable trims with high-end finishes. Trimless options. Options for polycarbonate rust-free trims. And 30-degree slope trims. Type IC, airtight and wet. No housing required. 3.5-inch deep. Install where ceiling space is limited. 30-degree beam angle, ideal for high ceilings. 2 power options. Regular 15-watt 1200 lumen and high output 18-watt 1500 lumen for 3000 Kelvin with CRI 90+. 7 light color options. 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, 5000 Kelvin options plus dim to warm 3000 Kelvin to 2000 Kelvin. 5 CCT user selectable. Triac or 0 to 10 volt dimmable options with 120 volt to 347 volt input. Armored cable and metal connectors, open plenum rated. Driver inside connection box with Romex quick connectors and knockouts. Fast installation and no junction box needed. Available accessories: flat and flanged mounting plates, low voltage extension cables for remotely mounting the driver up to 40 feet, goof rings to cover bigger holes. UL and Energy Star certified. Warranty: 10-year on residential, 5-year on commercial applications.